Are they?
For the next century, bro.
What makes it a cinema masterpiece?
Robin Williams.
Was he even? Oh yeah, he was in that. He played Teddy Roosevelt or whatever.
Bruh.
Doesn't he literally get shot and die in that movie?
Nah, he's in the second movie.
Oh.
He killed himself.
Oh.
That's a scary ass polar bear. Professor McGonagall.
I'm so jealous of people that have already done their finals.
Yeah, mine's next week.
Mine's next week.
Damn, you got a early ass finals, considering the time you started.
I mean, it's the last week of May.
What?
Yeah.
No, it's not. Next week is the second to last week of May.
Okay, well, next week then, retard. Fucking A.
Okay, that's still kind of early considering you started in the middle of February.
Yeah. Yeah, but guess what?
No.
I've trained everyone in this VC too well.
Yeah, you really have.
Damn.
I blame Boober.
I also blame Boober. He hated on me for putting tomatoes on my sandwich earlier. I took a photo just to piss off Raven, and she damned me. It was not nice.
Damn. Raven must be a bad.
Rude.
What did he do?
Yeah, what
Raven's a fucking goblin, dude.
Oh.
I agree, she is definitely a goblin.
Yeah.